Okay, I'm going to show you how to graph in Desmos and the TI, and then how to find points and intercepts. Now, I'm going to be honest, I think probably Desmos is the better option for most uses. So I'm going to do first, and then if you like it, you can simply quit. If, though, you have a TI or you're interested in it, you can keep watching. So, Desmos, I'm going to come here, is this website. So you can see right here, Desmos. So you're going to go up here to Graphing Calculator. And I'm going to put in our equation. There is a menu right here that will do it, or, and I don't remember what I was doing, 2x. The caret key on your thing puts you up in the exponents. So I have this graph here, okay? So first of all, this is an easy, really quick way to get a picture of a graph. Simply plug it in and go. As we've talked about in some of the other videos, you can change over here the different settings, all that. You can also just use your mouse and kind of go for it. To find the intercepts, literally click on the x-axis, and there are my 3 intercepts. That's actually negative radical 2, but usually they'll have you do that. They'll usually have any of the vertexes, the bottom points marked, which is great for finding if I wanted to know the range of this. The range then is -1 to positive infinity, because the lowest it goes is -1. My domain's going to be all reals because it continues out. So really, Desmos is really user-friendly. All your stuff to put in is down here. You are going to plug it in. You're going to click on your points. Okay. So if you wanted a specific point, you could then follow it up to where they wanted. You can just drag and go on this. It will only click on these, but sometimes if like you know where a point is, like, and I don't actually know, 1, 4, so that is it. I can label it. Where'd it go? 1, 5. There it is. If I knew where this point was, I'm trying to think if I know any actual points. I don't think. How far would I have to go up? Anyways, you could bring that out there if you wanted. They'll do specific graphs as well. Now, the TI is a little bit more complicated, but it can do more powerful things. So I'm going to put in the same equation. And again, you can see here, the same caret key. So x caret to the 4th minus 2x squared. Okay, and I'm going to hit graph. So this is going to be the exact same graph. Now what's cool about this is if you come here to over here, you've got all these different menus. And so if I go to second trace, which is my calc menu, and I put in value, if I put in x equals 2, it's going to exactly find me x equals 2 and show me where they are. So using that here, hold on a second. So if I come back here, see right there, I can hold on it. It will do that. It will also find my intercepts. So if I go back to second thing, that's these zeros. These are the x-intercepts. And now what it means by left bound is, so I want to find this intercept right here. So I'm going to click on the left side of it. Then you're going to go past it. Doesn't matter how far. You're going to click on it, click 3 times. And then right there, that's the same 0 that we found right there. So this is a little bit more precise, especially for exact values, but it is a little bit more daunting to use. There's a couple more steps and all that stuff, but it's more powerful. So it's really just whichever one you want. Desmos is a free app on your phone if you want.